So we made it up to Kingsbrae Gardens here in St. Andrews, and the premiers of Canada met here in 1997, just as this garden was nearing completion. So they decided to make this premiers arboretum, which is a tree here for each of the provinces and territories. Kind of a neat idea. So you got lots of different trees representing the provinces that came, and of course the Nova Scotia tree is dead. Here it is, dead, the only one that's dead out of everyone. Not good, but the grounds are beautiful, so let's get in here. I'm super excited to check this place out, and I haven't even made it through the front gate. It's absolutely stunning. So if you like gardens, and I know some of you do, follow along. Wow, I love this area. Highly manicured. This is my style of garden for sure. Absolutely beautiful. So I just got my admission ticket and it was only $17, so it's pretty reasonable, I think. The gardens are beautiful, and this is like the first display, so if this keeps up, it is definitely worth it. But yeah, quite a nice little place here. So let's have a look around. So they even have a little animal area here. There's some, what are those, alpacas or llamas or something? Kind of neat. I think these are goats. Really nice area, actually. Oh, there's a bunch of birds here. All right, guys, so check this guy out. Little peacock here. What a beautiful animal. I think he's trying to get in that house. See him? Look at him. Wow, gorgeous. You're gonna say hi? All right, we'll leave him be. What a beautiful looking bird though, holy. So this is the Acadian Forest Trail, just to walk through the woods. Okay, so we're gonna go check out this secret garden, and it's along this hedge here. Very discreet, and at the very end of this little piece of grass, here's number 24 on the map. That is our secret garden. So, oh yeah, this is kind of cool. Love it. Okay, we'll go, spider web. We'll go through here. Yeah, this is cool. I really like this. I don't know how big it is, but let's go explore. Oh, very cool. It's nice that they made this little winding path. Oh, I see the end. There's some people there, so I'll pick this back up in a second. Okay, so as you make your way out of that winding path, you'll come through these couple of trees here, and then here is the secret garden. You're kind of just all in this little area here. You got it all to yourself. They got a nice little bench. It's totally secluded from the rest of the garden, so pretty peaceful back here. Really nice. They did a really good job on this garden. So they even have this really cool place to take a little rest here. They got some benches, umbrellas, and I'm assuming that's a fountain. It's just not going. I'm like one of the first ones through the gate as usual. And there's like some little raised vegetable beds back here. Really cool place. Definitely check this out. All right, so this is the sculpture garden at Kingsbrae. Really nice. This is kind of a neat one here. It's a giant trowel up here on this mound. That's kind of neat. Check out this eagle. It's pretty cool. It's nice actually. They got a nice mixture of sculptures. They have like animals, they have some modern stuff, they have lots of different kind of stuff. So a little something for everyone. There's a cool little grizzly over here. We'll go check that out. But yeah, what a beautiful place. So apparently they used to have a sculpture contest, and first prize used to get $20,000, but they stopped it 2 years ago. Well, because it costs a fortune, I guess, to run it indefinitely. But yeah, there's some cool stuff here. I like this maple leaf that's blowing in the wind. That's kind of neat. And this one up here, this white one right as you enter, that has a special story. The lady, the caretaker here, was telling me this is like a memorial to the Mounties that were killed in Moncton a few years back. So that's this one here. Kind of neat. All right guys, so we are up at the cafe, gift shop, garden area. Nice place to hang out. Look how beautiful building. Some picnic tables, you can go shade or sun. Lots of sculptures, lots of beautiful flowers and trees around. So definitely a cool place to come after the walk through the garden. It's pretty hot in here, and it's only, what is it, June 28th today, and it's pretty warm. So may want to, oh, here's, what's this here? 200 million year wait is over. It's one of the oldest, rarest trees, the Wollemi Nobilis. So there's a worldwide conservation product for the Wollemi pine. I'm probably saying that wrong, but here is one of the rarest and oldest trees in the planet. And you can find it here at Kingsbrae Gardens in St. Andrews. So we're just out front, and I wanted to show you something. If you're staying in town, you can actually walk up to the Kingsbrae Gardens right here at this road, and you'll enter through this little gate. If you're driving, it's a totally separate place. I'll show you that in just a second. And there's a cute little bed and breakfast here, Kingsbrae Arms, so may want to stay there. All right, so we're just in the parking lot here at Kingsbrae, and right as you exit, there's the exit, there is a monument to the people that served in Afghanistan. It says it's to commemorate the men and women serving in the Canadian Armed Forces and to honor those who have made the ultimate sacrifice while serving Canada and the people of Afghanistan. Dedicated 1 July 2008 at Kingsbrae Garden. And it's like this little guard shack, some looks like geraniums, and they got a little picture here with a sort of like the crest. And then they have the rifle with the boots and the helmet, which usually symbolizes like a fallen soldier. That's when they do the ceremony overseas. You'll see that sometimes. So kind of a nice little tribute to the troops. So I'd highly recommend coming here. It's very well kept grounds and beautifully laid out, reasonable admission charge. And if you've been to the botanical gardens down the Route 1 down by Booth Bay and Wiscasset in Maine, it's a very similar layout with very similar plants. So if you enjoyed that one, definitely check out Kingsbrae here in St. Andrews. Okay, so if you are driving to Kingsbrae, here is going to be your entrance at this intersection. I'll drop the address below and you can't miss it. They got all these signs all the way up the road with pictures about Kingsbrae Garden. So definitely enjoy your time here. I did.